Well, thanks for visiting us at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your forecast for Tuesday. And of course, we started out the morning with some early day thunderstorms. Those are moving off to the east. So by the time we get to sunrise today, we will have clearing conditions. It is going to turn into a mostly sunny, breezy, and very warm day as we'll have highs in the 70s and low 80s. And we're not done with this severe weather threat. We'll likely see another round of thunderstorms late tomorrow night and another one that moves through during the day on Thursday. And both of those rounds could bring some strong to severe storms to the region as well before we dry out Friday and head into what will be a warm weekend as well. So I'll have all the details for you here. Again, first things first, you can see that line of storms which continues to move off to the east. So we're really clearing out pretty quickly across the region this morning. May have some lingering clouds through about mid-morning, but should see a lot of sun pop out pretty quickly. Will be a mild day. We've got temperatures that are starting out near 60 degrees or so you only have to warm up 20 degrees to get to 80, and we may go higher than that because we have a lot of sun on the way today. We also have a south breeze that will be gusting up to about 15 to 20 miles per hour. You get the sunshine and the south breeze, you typically get a pretty big warm up. So right now, I think conservatively having temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s today, it is possible we could be a little bit warmer than that. So it should be a warm, very spring-like afternoon for us here across the region. Here's a look at your Robinson Futurecast, and it does show the cloud cover still kind of lingering across Arkansas and Louisiana through about 10 a.m. today. There's a snapshot of the afternoon, looking great for us as we should enjoy plenty of sun out there, and again, quiet conditions for much of tonight as well as tomorrow. The clouds kind of making a return here on your Wednesday, which will likely hold our temperatures again in the upper 70s and low 80s instead of continuing to get warmer. And then we do have a warm front that will lift north from the coastline late Wednesday. So here's the severe weather probabilities for us. Storm Prediction Center does have us in a marginal as well as a slight risk here for that warm front that will move in late Wednesday. And again, this outlook is valid through about 6 a.m. Thursday morning. So the worst of the weather occurring along the warm front, especially across Arkansas and Louisiana. It's a low-end severe weather risk, but what we'll be watching for is likely some high wind and hail, isolated tornado possible with this initial round of storms. And then at some point Thursday, there's still a lot of model differences here. We will see a line of storms with a cold front move through either in the morning or afternoon hours, and at the moment, Storm Prediction Center has us in that slight risk category, meaning scattered severe weather is possible across much of the region. And in addition to the wind and hail threat Thursday, we do add more of a tornado threat, which is why we do have those severe weather possibilities in the enhanced risk a little bit higher just off to the east of the Arklatex. Of course, those were some of the areas that got hit hard with the severe weather last week. So timing out the warm front, Futurecast is going to show this front lifting in after sunset. So this will be kind of an overnight special for us with the warm front, which can typically bring that wind and hail. And then we'll see a little bit of a break Thursday. Again, some of the forecast models have the storms popping up early Thursday. Our in-house model here shows that line of storms developing by the late morning, early afternoon hours here, and then swinging through pretty quickly. So the way things look right now, I would be on the lookout for some strong to severe storms any point from Wednesday evening through early Thursday afternoon. It is a big severe weather window because we could potentially see 2 rounds of these thunderstorms move through, but we should have improving conditions late Thursday into Friday. Latest rainfall accumulations, and again, we'll see the rainfall map change around here in the upcoming days, but most of the forecast models pretty consistent in showing a good 1 to 2 inches of rain, especially here along and north of Interstate 20. Again, that's probably not going to cause us any flash flooding concerns, but we'll have to be careful on some of those commutes, especially Thursday morning if we do see some of those storms linger. It's not a big cool down with this front. Friday turns into a great day. We'll have the sun back and highs in the mid-70s. Weekend's looking pretty good as well, but forecast models now hinting that we could see some rain pop up potentially late Saturday into early Sunday, so that's why we do have that 20% rain chance. But at this point, if you have some outdoor plans, nothing to be too concerned about at this point as the warm temperatures will continue. We've got a run of days in the 70s and 80s.